Here's a 2020 Mercedes-Benz AMG GT. This AMG GTS is a handcrafted work of art with the power, performance, and luxury that comes from legendary race-bred intuition. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: twin-turbo V8 engine, all-wheel steering, automatic transmission, hands-free liftgate, integrated navigation system, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual-zone climate control, streaming audio, voice-activated climate controls, memory steering wheel settings, and front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Cars.com declares, fast, gorgeous, and more affordable than its predecessor, the new Mercedes-AMG GTS may just be the best driving car the automaker has ever made. Mercedes-Benz, an elevation of innovation. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top-quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.